In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open layers in Canva. If you've ever worked on a design in Canva with lots of text boxes, images, shapes, or icons, you've probably noticed that they can start to overlap. Maybe a text box is hiding behind a photo, or an element keeps moving when you're really trying to select something underneath it. That's where layers come in. Understanding how to open and view your layers in Canva makes it much easier to organize your design and control which elements appear in front or behind. Let's start from inside your Canva design. First, open the design you want to work on in the Canva editor. This could be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or any other project. Once the design is open and fully loaded in the editor, click on any element on your page. This element can be a text box, a photo, a shape, an icon, or even a group of items. As soon as you click that element, a toolbar will appear at the top of the editor. This toolbar changes depending on what you've selected, but you should always see a button called Position. Take a moment to look for it along the top bar. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've actually selected an element on the page. The Position button only shows up when something is selected. Once you've found the Position button, click on it. When you do, a panel will open on the left side of your screen. This is the Position panel, and it's where Canva lets you control how elements are arranged in your design. At the top of this panel, you'll see two tabs. One of these tabs is called Layers. Go ahead and click on the Layers tab. After you select it, Canva will show you the list of layers related to what you're working on. You'll see each element represented there, which helps you understand what's on top, what's behind, and how everything is stacked. From here, you can use the layers list to quickly select items that might be hard to click directly on the canvas, especially if they're hidden behind other elements. This makes it easier to edit, rearrange, or delete specific parts of your design without guessing where they are. And that's all there is to it. Select an element, click. Position on the top toolbar, open the panel on the left, then choose the Layers tab to see and manage your layers in Canva.